Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get free VIP in Dress to Impress. Firstly, join VIP giveaways, follow developers on Roblox and socials, look out for announcements for limited time giveaways. Some streamers on YouTubers also host VIP code giveaways during live streams. Secondly, enter Robux giveaways. You can also win Robux. Follow Robux giveaway accounts on platforms like X or YouTube. Participate in events hosted by Roblox groups that reward Robux. Also use legitimate Robux earning platforms and redeem gift cards for Robux. And that's it guys. Never trust websites offering free VIP passes without effort. They're often phishing scams, and don't give away your Roblox login, password or two-step code to anyone. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.